Hey you guys, many of you guys don't know, but for many years I was a raw vegan chef. I was actually vegan for many years and I was raw vegan for many years. In fact, I was fruitarian and I used to travel around the world and teach yoga and do like juices and all this kinds of stuff. So today I wanted to show you guys a really cheap way of making juice if you don't have a juicer, and this is so fast and so good for you. So what I like to do is I have to make it in this mixer that I have. So I break it up into bunches so it's easier to break down in the mixer. And then because it's so small, I have to do it in batches. So I like to evenly do it together. So this is the first step. Today I have celery, pineapple, whole thing of celery, 1 apple because I just had it left over, some parsley and some cucumber. And I leave the peel on. So here it's all in the mixer, like half of it. I put like half of it. And then all I do is I put a little bit of water, not too much, that's it. And then you put your lid on and you take it to the station. I have a high-speed blender. And then when you get a consistency like this, I have like a glass jar set up with a nut milk bag, and I just pour it in. You want to like milk it out. And then once you have squeezed it through the bag, then you're left with like this leftover that you can use for fertilizer or you just throw it out, right? And then you're left with this beautiful green juice. And we're going to try it right now. Look at that color. So delicious. Cheers. Oh my God, it's so good. I put ginger in too, so it's a little spicy. And it's just so refreshing, and it's better when it's really cold too.